Good afternoon. I am Anshaka, a KIET group of students and a PR member from Team ESEL. With me is CDR Deepak Nautiyal sir, who is an ex-veteran, naval veteran and a current Deputy Program Director at the Defence Innovation Organization. So we are glad to have you here. And sir, upon coming here and hearing about Endeavour and about ESEL's initiative about entrepreneurship and when you saw the students of KIET, what were your thoughts about this event?
Well, I was amazed because, frankly speaking, I have heard about KIET, but I was not aware that it is going to be such a big institution. The kind of facilities that it is providing to the students, not towards the academic part, but for their overall development and including the entrepreneurship. Like we have the technological business incubator over here. So it's providing a support to all the youngsters who have a dream, who want to achieve something big in their life. So it is providing them all kind of support that is available into the market. So a big thanks to KIET for their unrelentless support for the youngsters who are going to be the future of the country.
Thank you so much, sir. And sir, what would be the one message that you would like to give the Gen Zs or the current students of our college or the people who will be listening to you so that they would push themselves out of their comfort zone?
Well, I don't have one challenge, rather I have two challenges for you guys.
Okay, sir.
The
sure.
first one is the theory of 10,000 hours. That means if you are good at something, you need to practice for 10,000 hours. And it's not just the quantity of practice, but the quality of practice. That is one. And secondly, you guys need to come out of the fear of failures, because failures are part of life. You will fail, but that should not deter you from continuing your efforts and achieving what you aim for.
Sure, so we will truly live up to that message. And so, so one question I would like to ask is, from your military life and your transition from military life to startup world, what were the challenges you faced and what were the problems, or how do you feel right now?
Well, talking about the military life has its own challenges because you are at the risk of losing a man or material at every point of time, and it was not just a job, it was a way of life. Now when I was transitioning from military to the corporate culture, obviously we were doing the same thing, but the terminology that we used to use in military, that's completely different from what we have in the corporate. So getting accustomed to that kind of language, that kind of work ethics, that is something which took some time. And life in corporate is also not easy, particularly talking about startup, because you have an idea and you need to push for it with the limited resources that you have, and you have to achieve it before somebody else does, because winner is always the one, rest everybody is just a follower. So with that aim, you have to achieve. You have setbacks, you have failures. So the most important thing is to keep motivating your people to do not lose their hope and continue with their efforts.
Thank you
But
so
if you ask me, military life is more precious for me.
Thank you so much, sir, for saying that. And answer last question would be, what is your one go-to mantra in your everyday life?
Just do it.
Just do it and believe in yourself. Thank you so much, sir. We are glad to have you here.
Thank you so much for inviting me to your Endeavour 25, and look forward to keep coming to it.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.